for the type of plane that it is. We're in gyro mode now. So my all up weight with these motors and all the electronics I have in it is 137 grams. So it is almost double the weight it was stock. I think stock it was like 70, somewhere between 70 to 72 grams. But as you can see, it handles really, really well. The airframe can handle that weight just fine. It's a pretty nice high performance little 600mm sport plane now, really. And it doesn't have unlimited vertical anymore, but it still has pretty good power, and it gives me the amount of flight time that I wanted to get out of it. So I got my Volantex Ranger 600 out here again today, and I'm doing some more testing. I got some new props on it. I've got my 1306 4000 kV motors on it. A little bit lighter. My old 1804s are pretty heavy motors. They're about 6 grams heavier than these 1306s. So I put the 1306s back on. I've got these new Gemfan Wind Dancer 3028 3-blade props. So I think for the 1306 4000 kV motors, I think those are going to be the ticket. The motors I'm going to end up buying and putting on this are going to be the 1804 motors that I have links to in the show notes, because they're as light as these 1306s. So I think that's going to be the ticket. Anyway, launching. I launch at about between 50 to 60% throttle is what I launch it at. So it has pretty decent slow flight capability. We are in full gyro mode, or excuse me, stabilization mode right now. Alright, now we are in gyro mode, just wind mitigation. So yeah, it still has pretty decent slow flight capability. Not as good as it had, but it's not bad considering it's almost double the weight that it was stock. But man, I really, really love having these twin motors on here. That's just awesome. So not unlimited vertical with these props, but decent power, so you can do a lot of aerobatics with it, and I can still get about 6 minutes of flight time out of it with these little GNB 2S 350 milliamp hour LiPos. I think they're 80C. I have links to those in the show notes too. Still pulling it through the air fairly quickly. The roll rate is pretty decent. And it's quiet, isn't it? Those props are pretty quiet. Yeah, so that's pretty decent power, I think. I love this airframe. It is such a great little airframe. Isn't that flying awesome? And I still have a lot of tuning to do to it. So if you have this plane, and I don't know why you wouldn't have one, because it's stock, it's my absolute favorite beginner plane of all time. and converting this to twin tractor motor just makes it even, you know, better. So if you guys have this plane and once you get tired of flying it stock, this twin motor conversion is absolutely makes it a different plane. Really, it's just awesome. Handles a lot like it did when it was stock. It's just got a lot more power. Alright, I'm going to keep it in. I'm going to keep it into gyro mode for the landing. Alright. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.